In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to define your design system foundations. Establishing a well-structured design system is crucial for ensuring consistency across your projects and making collaboration seamless. Let's dive into the process, step by step. First, begin by defining your core style elements. These foundational elements include your color palette, typography, spacings, and iconography. Imagine this as setting the aesthetic tone of your whole project. Colors help convey the mood, typography communicates the hierarchy and message, spacing ensures cohesiveness, and icons add visual cues. It's vital to be thoughtful about these choices, as they form the basis of your entire design identity. Once you've established these elements, we move into Adobe XD to embed them into your workflow. Open the Assets panel, or Document Assets, in XD. For colors, right-click on your selected color fills and choose Add Color to Assets. Doing this makes them easily accessible throughout your project. Similarly, for text, format your character styles according to your typography guidelines, then right-click to add them as Character Style to Assets. This step streamlines your design process, making it quick and efficient to maintain consistency with every text and color element you use. Next, we create key components like buttons, inputs, and cards. With each component designed, use the Make Component command. This action transforms your designs into reusable parts. What's great about components is that they represent a shift from the older use of symbols. They are more versatile and powerful, allowing for variations and overrides, enhancing the flexibility of your design system. As you create these components, you're essentially building the skeletal framework of your design system. Remember, consistency in naming conventions and structure, such as button, default, button, hover, and button, disabled, is crucial for clarity and maintainability. Let's not forget the value of modularity with nested components. By incorporating smaller components within larger ones, your system stays organized and adaptable. It's this level of attention to detail that truly makes a design system robust. After building your components, save all your styles and elements into a dedicated cloud document. This document will act as the single source of truth for your design system. Go to File, then Save as Cloud Document. Having a central and accessible document ensures that your design team or collaborators always have access to the most up-to-date components and styles. Finally, it's time to share your work with others by publishing your design system as a library. With your cloud document open in Adobe XD, navigate back to the Document Assets panel. You'll find the option to Publish as a Library. By doing this, you effectively turn your document's assets into a linked library that others can access. In the Libraries Manager, give your library an appropriate name. Decide if it'll be a personal library or one for the entire team or organization. Once you've made your choice, click Publish. This structured approach not only aids your personal design workflow, but enhances team collaboration and project scalability. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these steps helpful in building a strong design foundation.